by Climax Calder Testing Systems. Visit us at climaxportable.com. Safety or pressure relief valves are designed to allow a safe amount of pressure to build within a system, then automatically relieve that pressure should it exceed the maximum allowable by the system. Without this relief mechanism, the pressure could build to an unsafe level. At that point, you have a very unsafe situation where an explosion is possible, something we all want to avoid. Bench testing is designed to simulate an in-service condition with an external pressure source. It is done to verify some or all of the operating characteristics of the valve. Given the catastrophic consequences of failure, testing these valves is critical and must be done properly. Originally, this meant bolting the valve to an external pressure source for testing. This was tedious and left room for error, as many bolts had to be tightened for each test. It is not uncommon to have 20 bolts on an 8-inch inlet flange. This made for tired testing technicians with strong wrench-turning muscles. Turning that many nuts and bolts for a test that is often over in a short period of time seemed like a waste to some, and to many it just seemed nuts. Along comes a bright idea and presto, a better mousetrap. Climax Calder offers adjustable fixtures to hold many sizes of valves. Hydraulic clamps are used to secure the valve to the seal plate. This eliminates the need for any nuts or bolts to do the test. As the hydraulic clamp goes up, the flange is clamped by the pivot arms, locked in and ready to test. The pivot arms are arranged in a 3-point configuration to avoid interference with the outlet flanges. All this results in happy technicians who now leave their torque wrenches in the toolbox for testing. There are a couple other important things to consider when testing safety relief valves. These critical points are how to tell the valve test machine is up to the task of testing your valve. First, the size of the test machine outlet must match the inlet orifice of the valve. The second critical point is the part that allows the valve tester to simulate a real-world situation where there is a sizable amount of stored energy behind the valve that must be relieved. This critical point is that you must have sufficient stored air or water with enough pressure to cycle the valve fully. Sometimes this is referred to as popping the valve. The end goal here is to be able to test many valves in the same time you were testing just one, and to do it in a safer way with a higher quality test. More valves tested safely and correctly in less time results in higher profits and satisfied customers. Climax Calder Testing Systems is your provider for tools and expertise to help you test your valves the right way. Visit us today at climaxportable.com and look for valve testers under our products section.